excited to share a first look of this new wig from Dejaco Hair. We've got care instructions and a nice thank you, some super cute packaging. This is a lace top human hair wig. Oh, nice. Wide tooth comb and an extra wig grip, which is awesome, always handy. This is a dark brown color. It has highlights throughout, and then it has kind of a brighter pop of blonde, kind of framing the face in a money piece. It has clips on the ear tabs and comb and adjusters at the nape. Let's try her on. So this is a small cap, which fits my 21.5 circumference head, and the density is about 125, which for me, it feels really comfortable. There's the hairline, and a look at the back. Overall, I'm really pleased. It's beautiful.